Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk today about why Mel Robbins says goal setting can work for you. Mel Robbins is a fantastic coach and mentor, and I highly recommend you check out some of her training materials. Today, we're going to talk about her theories about why it is that setting a defined and specific goal will work for you. We'll figure this out with an example. You know how when you buy a certain type of car, everywhere you look, all of a sudden you start seeing that car? That doesn't mean that everybody everywhere went out and bought the same car at the same time as you did. The reason that you start noticing that car is because now you're driving it. There's a reason for it to be important to you. So you start noticing that car. It's the same number of cars have been out there all the time. All along they've been there, but you just now started noticing it. That is your reticular activating system at work. The reticular activating system has several different functions. We're not going to go down that rabbit hole, but suffice it to say that the conglomeration of those functions is that it is responsible for how you perceive the world around you. So when something is important to you, your reticular activating system sends off a signal. That's important. Take notice of it. The example that clinicians use is that a couple in a bed can sleep through a plane going overhead or a plane taking off nearby, but if the baby stirs in the next room, then all of a sudden mom leaps from bed because something's wrong with baby. The reticular activating system lets you know when something is important to you. What does this have to do with goal setting? All right. When you take the time to decide on a specific and important goal for you, and you write it down in specific concrete terms, then your brain accepts that that goal is important to you. And all of a sudden, your reticular activating system will go to work noticing things that you never noticed before, just like the cars that you never noticed before. The things that are important to you will be noticed by your brain as being important. So that goal is important, which means that new avenues that you can pursue, new ventures that you can take, new changes that you can make in order to get you closer to your goal are going to be noticed by your reticular activating system, and you will be able to take action on those things. So once you start writing down your goals in very specific terms, your brain will accept them, your reticular activating system will notice the things that are important for you to be able to take charge of those goals and attain them. That's why it is that goal setting has a very powerful impact on whether or not you can be successful in what you're chasing. If you don't write down a specific and measurable goal, all you're doing is wishing and dreaming. Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you.